If you're looking to automate your affiliate approvals and onboarding process, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to set everything up efficiently, saving you time and effort, and letting you focus on scaling your affiliate program. Stick around till the end, because I'll be giving you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using today, which can completely change how you manage your affiliates. First, let's talk about why automating affiliate approvals and onboarding is crucial. Without automation, the process becomes time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Manual approval systems are slow, and onboarding can be disorganized, causing friction with potential affiliates who could be great partners. This software can streamline that entire process. To start, you need an affiliate management tool. You could use a range of options, but after testing the most popular ones, I've found that the software we'll be using today is the best for the job. With this tool, you can automatically approve affiliates based on set criteria. For example, you can automatically check if they have a certain number of followers or a website with relevant content, and approve or reject them instantly. It's a huge time saver. Next, you'll want to set up an automated onboarding process. With this software, you can create an onboarding sequence where affiliates get all the info they need as soon as they're approved. Think welcome emails, training guides, promotional materials, and even tracking links, all delivered automatically. This ensures no one falls through the cracks. Now, for the best part. Setting up the system takes just a few clicks. You'll first configure the approval rules, which can include criteria like social media presence or niche relevance. Then customize the email sequence and add your affiliate terms and conditions. The software handles the rest. You won't have to worry about sending follow-up emails or handling each affiliate one by one. By automating the entire affiliate approval and onboarding process, you free up your time to focus on growing your affiliate network, not managing it. Plus, you'll reduce errors and ensure a smooth experience for both you and your affiliates. Now, if you want to follow along with this tutorial and automate your affiliate program, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while you can. Key takeaway here, automating your affiliate approval and onboarding not only saves you time, but also ensures you're working with the right partners and delivering a smooth experience for them from the start. By using the software we talked about today, you can set this up with minimal effort. To recap, use automated approval rules to streamline your affiliate selection and set up an automated onboarding process to deliver all necessary resources to your affiliates without lifting a finger. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. If you want to take your affiliate program to the next level, this is the way to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.